So today in the mail we have received the Nanoleaf Smarter by Design Nanoleaf Line's Smarter Kit. So this is the basic hub and kit. It's all, you can get this off Amazon. It's the starter pack, and you can buy these little stick lights to add to it. Let's see what they have procured for us. We get the little flyer. It talks about how you can do all these different shapes. I don't remember how many colors it's supposed to have. I want to say 16 million. Does that sound right? 16 million color. So this is the unit itself. You can see the connection piece here. And I think that you can get these in black too, but I didn't see any in black on their website. I just saw the white, so I thought maybe it's something that they don't offer anymore, or people are custom painting them. Not sure about that. So that's how many there are, and the starter pack is 9. And inside here we get these little hexagonal hub pieces. Looks like a cover to go over there. I hope they have self-adhesive. They do have self-adhesive. That's good. And it comes with power supply. It looks like they snap in. Okay. It doesn't, well, it does snap in, but it's not like a hard snap. But you can feel that it is snug on there. So, I'm guessing there's a master hub. That's probably what this is. This is let's see if you can see that on camera. It's a bit washed out. Looks like you got power, music sync, up and down, look, maybe a plus and minus for something, and then a sync or cycle button on here. Let's see what we can get done. These are extremely basic instructions. Okay, so set out what you want, connect it together, and plug it in, of course. It takes 30 seconds to snap them in. And the back of these hubs pop off, has pre-drilled holes in it, so get some tiny screws, and I recommend using at least the screw method on your top fulcrum with whatever pattern that you have. So with this pattern that I've done, the top one is going to hold all the weight in case of failure of the stickers. I can't recommend this enough. These little panels let you cut a hole in your drywall. Drop things down, and they come out, and you have no wires running, and then it's just like a little outlet plate. And so I've got that light ran through there, and it'll connect in down here. And here's the finished product.